with Chris?
Chris Meek, yeah.
Chris?
Gingerbearddrift.
Gingerbearddrift.
Yeah.
So you got an S15, right?
Yeah. S15 Silva, 1999 Spec R. Yeah.
Sweet. What's all done to it?
It has the 1J swap, max ECU, DC racing coilovers, GK Tech arms. It's got so much stuff, it's hard to remember everything.
That's all good, yeah. How much?
I've got the fancy work VSKF wheels I've got hidden away, which
They're
looks
hidden.
so much better on it than when you got the pictures of.
Yeah, it did look pretty sweet with those wheels on it.
Yeah.
I mean, these still look good.
Yeah, they're just not as shiny. But,
Yeah, that's all good.
I've got hydraulic e-brake, which is kind of necessity in drifting. The dual caliper setup. I've got the gauge on a tablet, which is nice for like fail safes.
Yeah.
Way more information and way more accurate.
How
I've
much?
had this car for 10 years, and I mean, I probably got like 40 grand into it, so.
That's wild. And how much did you pick it up for?
I was like, I imported it. By the time I got it back to Calgary, it was about 5,200 Canadian.
That's insane, especially because now they're like 40 or 50 grand, hey?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I kind of lucked out on that one. I mean, I should have probably bought like 3 or 4 of them at that time.
Yeah,
But at that time, I only had money to buy one.
that's fair. Was it originally supposed to be a drift car, or did you daily it? Or
No,
like
that was
just
my
have fun?
plan. I had sold a competition caged car to fund this car because I used to compete, and then I kind of got over the competing asset. Once you have a roll cage in your car, you can't drive it on the street really. Like,
Yeah,
you can, but it's not as fun. It's kind of sketchy. Like,
yeah. Bumps around a lot, it's loud.
yeah, exactly.
Exactly. How much horsepower does your car have?
Well, right now I'm having wastegate issues, so I think it's making like maybe 280.
Okay.
Which like kind of sucks because it usually makes like about 470. So it's like making like 60% of the power it should. It's like
Yeah, and
it usually smokes the corners up pretty good, but
it's
I'm not
not,
really doing that today, unfortunately. But
that's all
I
good.
mean, it's better than nothing. I went to Penticton for Canada Day long weekend and went drifting there and blew the transmission up in this car on like the 10th lap. Like we were like, I don't know, 2 hours into the day and it demolished itself.
That's messed.
And of course I live in Calgary, so
Yeah,
it's like
it's a drive.
8-hour drive.
Yeah, that's rough.
To get an hour driving at most.
Yeah, that's
Really
brutal.
sucked. I
Really,
was driving so well and then just like
then just
second
grenaded?
gear just exploded. But,
damn, man. Hey, it's the name of the game. Sometimes it happens, right?
yeah.
What I see you got like a wide body kit on it. What kit is that?
Their Origin Type 3 55.
Nice. It looks clean, man.
Yeah, and I'm surprised these actually have survived for so long. Like the over fenders and front fenders have been on for probably 6 years, and they're still like in really good
Wow,
shape.
that-
Like, they're not cracked. I've only repaired them once.
That's awesome.
Like I wrapped this car myself, so it used to be like a dark black,
Okay.
like dark purpley black.
Yeah, I like the red. It pops.
It gets a lot more attention.
Yeah, I
being
bet.
Bright red. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks
Got
really
attention
good.
Before, like, because I mean, anytime there's an S15 at the track, like 90% of the time I'm the only one. Like,
Yeah.
I've never actually, I don't think I've ever been to a drift event where there's another S15,
Yeah.
except for when I was in Japan. So I usually get a decent amount of pictures, but now that it's red,
Now it really
a lot
goes.
more attention. Yeah.
Yeah, I bet.
Yeah.
Well, awesome. Thanks, man. I appreciate your time, and
Yeah, absolutely.
yeah, I'm gonna grab a couple clips of the car, and then
Yeah, absolutely.
would you be down maybe sometime today? I could go for a ride.
Yeah, for sure.
That'd be sweet, man. Yeah, no, 100%. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah. Yep.
Thank you.
Man, it happens. That was a good sim though. Everything feel good? It sounds so good.
Thanks, man. I gotta get off. It's way too cold.
Yeah, it's just getting hot, eh?
We're supposed to go back in, I think so.
Traffic jam here. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no
That
problem.
was legendary.
I mean, it could be better. Like I said, I'm only getting 12 pounds of boost. It really sucks.
Yeah. Because normally, what do you run at?
18,
18, yeah.
So it usually makes like almost 400 horsepower. But it's probably making like...
Yeah, 270 you said?
Yeah, something.
60?
And it's like, you can feel it like cutting out. Like it's like, it wants to go and it's just like...
Yeah, it just starts like...
It's better than nothing. It's
Hey,
so fun.
you can still have fun in it and still enjoy it, right? So,
Yeah,
thanks,
it's so
man.
fun. Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it.
Fuck yeah.